Go with the lawnmower and the Weedeater. These things have been sitting all the winter. I don't know if the fuel was taken out. Let's check. No, it was not. Let's see if this thing starts, because it's been neglected and it's not been properly taken care of. So let's try and start it. And that one. This one hasn't sat. Might start a little hard, but it should run fine. Now let's just see. Let's just get right into it. I'm just going to use the old fuel because it should work. I don't know. I think that was 5 times. Don't know how many times that was. I have to get something to hold this down. Alright, handle is clamped. Let's try it. Maybe we should try and prime it some more. I better not have to take this thing apart. Alright, well, at least you know it works now. Well, that sprayed a ton of crap out of it. Alright, well, that one's good now. We have to move on to this one. I don't know if I can start this on camera. It does start a little bit harder, obviously, because it's a gas Weedeater. Pretty much these things are reluctant to start all the time. So it wouldn't be too out of the ordinary if I'm sitting here for a while pulling this thing over. So let's prime it. I think they said 6 times you do it. Alright, let's try this. Can I do this one-handed? Nope, I cannot. Let me try again. Nah, this isn't gonna work. Maybe I just pull it off camera. Yeah, that sounds about right. Very nice. 5 pulls. Oh, bogging down. There we go. Now that wasn't too hard. Left the fuel in it. There we go. Well, they both started, so I'll start the yard work in a couple of minutes. So yeah, a lot of people like the engine, the small engine stuff. And I think someone said in the old video I made of this that it'll like die in 2 years, or it's not gonna last. Well, it's lasted 2 years fine. And it's been used by someone else who abuses it a lot worse than me. There you go. Starting some stuff up.